This is a probability question from a real GCSE maths exam in the UK. You will always get a question like this. Doesn't matter if you're taking an EdXL, OCR board exam. Let's solve it together and learn how to deal with it. Spinner A and spinner B are each spun once. The probability that spinner A lands on red is a quarter. The probability that both spinner A and spinner B land on red is 1 over 24. Work out the probability that one spinner lands on red and the other spinner does not land on red. So let's use the information we already have and solve this. First statement, spinner A lands on red is 1 over 4. So that really means that probability of A for a red is a quarter. That also means that probability of A for a no red, doesn't land on red, is 1 minus a quarter, 3/4. I hope you understand that step. Let's read the second statement. The probability that both spinner A and spinner B lands on red is 1 over 24. So probability of A is 1 over 4 times the probability of the other one to land on red is 1 over 24. Some of you are taught in school for the unknown to call them x, okay? 1 over 4 times what times 1 over what is 1 over 24. X is 6. I basically found out that the probability for B to land on red is 1 over 6. This way I can also find out the probability for B to be no red. That will be 1 minus 1 over 6, 5 over 6. Let's read the question. It says, work out the probability that one spinner, A or B, lands on red, and then the other one, A or B, left, does not land on red. I can see there are actually two scenarios. Scenario 1, spinner A lands on red and spinner B doesn't land on red. I need to find that probability. But there's another scenario where the first spinner, spinner A, doesn't land on red, but the other one, spinner B, lands on red. And I have to calculate that one. Do I have all the information? Well, probability A for red is a quarter times probability of B to be no red. It's there, 5 over 6. You multiply them across, 5 over 24. The second one, second scenario, probability of A to be no red. It's there, look, 3 over 4. Times the probability of B to be red. It's there, 1 over 6. And that you multiply across, 3 over 24. The question asked me to find the probability of scenario 1 and the probability for scenario 2. So really, I have to add 1, add 2. That means I have to add 5 over 24, add 3 over 24, that is 8 over 24. And we can simplify that to 1 over 3. And that's your final answer. It's a 4-mark question. Could you have done it without this tutorial? I can help students improve their GCSE maths with my private tuition, and in this example like this, I can make sure that you always get probability questions correct in the exam. Just look at the description for more details. Thank you.